G'day and welcome to Australia. This is Adam from AVA Magnetic Levitation Australia, and today I'm going to be doing half of a global magnetic experiment. The other half of this experiment will be done in the opposite hemisphere to myself. I'm in the southern hemisphere. I have a friend who's called Pt1 on YouTube, and he'll be conducting the identical experiment but in his hemisphere to see if the effect is reversed as it should be. So anyway, the effect that I'm talking about though is very basic. The device you see in front of you, all it really does is throws a magnet up in the air very accurately. The device has been leveled and the height at which it throws it at can be adjusted. But the device isn't important. If you have a large magnet, you can test this effect out for yourself. Basically all you need to do is get some neodymium magnets, 1 or 2. It's good to have something that's sort of got a bit of size to it, but sort of relevant to its fatness. You don't want to go too tall and you don't want to go too thin either. And what you do is just put some tape around one end or mark north and south, and you don't need to build a contraption like this to do it. This is more to prove a point of accuracy and that the effect is constant. But if you've got a magnet and you can mark it out, you can test this effect just by throwing a magnet about 1 foot high in the air. And you'll find that myself being down in the southern hemisphere, the north end of the magnet tends to deflect towards north, but also tends to remain and land back down as it was. If you flip the magnet upside down and have the south side up, and then you repeat the process, you'll find that there's a torquing effect there. It can't help but flip over, no matter how accurately you throw it up and down in a vertical position. So anyway, it's enough of me talking for now. I'll just show the effect at different heights. So, that's the Global Magnetic Effect Experiment Part 1 finished. To see Part 2 of this experiment, please look up Pt1. His details will be at the bottom of the screen now and also in the descriptions. And if the laws of magnetics stay true, hopefully he should be getting an equal and opposite result or reaction in the northern hemisphere where he lives. If you like what you're seeing so far, have a look at Pt1's other videos. He does some very interesting work and a little bit of music too on the side. Apologies to him that it took me so long to finish this. I asked him to help. He's been finished for like a couple of months now, and it took me that long to get ready because I've been a bit sick for a while. And that being said, if you like what you see, you want to see more, help us, support us, comment, share, spread, or better still, go on eBay or Etsy or website out soon and have a look up AVA Magnetic Levitation Australia and purchase one of my diamagnetic levitation devices which use no electricity whatsoever and work and function for more than, I don't know, 4 or 5 human lifetimes without ever needing batteries or anything. Purchasing stuff like this can actually help with these experiments because these are basically funded privately by what I can make out of AVA Magnetic Levitation Australia. So, that being said, thank you for your time. I'm glad you stuck around right to the end. I hope you like what you saw. Like I said, you don't believe it, get some magnets, try it for yourself. Thank you. And I hope it was worth filming and putting up there. By the way, get some magnets, try it for yourself. Thank you. Ow! That's it. I can't fucking walk anymore. I got good enough. This is Adam VA from AVA Magnetic Levitation Australia, signing out. Yeah. And now that the science is out of the way, on a lighter note, the people who ask this time round why I don't put my face in the videos, it's not because I think I look like Mo Sislak or have insecurities about how I think I look or my appearance whatsoever. It's because that's right. It's because if I do show my face on shot in camera, it'll distract everyone from the actual science itself. I'll have guys' girlfriends and wives contacting me and stuff through YouTube, which will only upset my missus. I'll have the odd angry boyfriend, you know, contacting me about it. Then I may have the odd gay guy interested in me, and the odd lesbian that sees me once and thinks she could turn back to heterosexualism because of it. So, this being said, this is why I generally don't show my face on camera. There.